Are you ready to discover a magical tool to help your transformation into a more expanded consciousness? Would you like a beautiful handcrafted workbook to guide you on your journey? Have you ever wanted to have a closer connection with your guides or higher self? Have you ever wondered if you could free yourself from limiting experiences? Are you a discerning spiritual seeker?
At Divine Alchemy Healing, we have created a beautiful, comprehensive pendulum workbook to assist you on your healing journey.
To find out more, visit us at divinealchemyhealing.co.uk and follow our page.